You know, that he learned through experience that he could create a completely false picture of himself. And that this false picture could be useful to him in various ways. I mean, for example, the idea that he's a great deal maker. You know, a book called Art of the Deal, which was ghostwritten by somebody who's now very sorry about it. It's actually, it was written several times, I apologize, you know. But actually he was a bad businessman. He inherited money from his father. He lost more money than he made. You know, he was rescued a couple of times fortuitously, probably in one case by Russian money. So, you know, he actually isn't a good businessman, but he learned that if you create the picture of yourself as a good businessman, if you do, as he had a television program about yourself, reality TV show about yourself as a businessman, that this was actually, you could make money that way, and you could, you know, you could change reality. So his experience is that this works, and there is something about contemporary culture, American culture, but also true elsewhere, you know, where people have allowed the fiction of TV or the fiction of social media to be stronger than reality.